Hi, this is Nathaniel from the BYU Software Training Lab. Today I'll be going over how to effectively use styles in Adobe InDesign. I'll be showing examples using our Day 3 class files, so feel free to go to files.learnsoftware.org and download the Day 3 InDesign files to follow along. Styles are one of InDesign's most useful features for editing and formatting text quickly. To create and edit styles, you'll need to select some text first. Either use the Type tool, shortcut T, or just double-click in your text with the Selection tool to start editing the text. In the Properties panel, under the Text Style section, there's a drop-down menu. These are your paragraph styles. When selecting a style, it will apply to the entire paragraph that your cursor currently has selected. As you can see, when I select a different paragraph style from the drop-down menu, the paragraph I have selected will change to match the property saved under that style. In this case, I only have one word in my paragraph, it's a heading, so only the word introduction is changing. If I were to select some body text and change my style, the entire paragraph changes. We'll go ahead and change that back. If you'd rather create styles that only apply to individual words or letters, you'll need to create a character style instead, which is found here. For this video, I'll be focusing on paragraph styles. To create a new paragraph style, select the square with a plus located under the paragraph styles drop-down menu. This will create a new style named Paragraph Style 1. To edit your style, open the drop-down menu and click the pencil icon next to the style you want to edit. A window will appear labeled Paragraph Style Options. I'll run through some of these options quickly. One important thing to do when creating a new style is to check the preview box at the bottom of the window. This means that I'll see a preview example of the style's settings as I change them. Our first section is General Settings. Under General, you can rename your style, choose if you want your style to be based on a previously created style, and designate if you want a specific style applied to the paragraph after this one. I'll go ahead and name this style Textbook Headings. Basic character formats lets you select a font family and a style. You can also adjust the font size, leading, kerning, and tracking. Leading is the space in between lines, tracking is the space in between words, and kerning is the space in between individual letters. You can also check these boxes here to edit the text with things such as an underline or even a strike through. The next important settings I'll go over is under the Indents and Spacing section. You can specify your alignment here, along with a lot of different indentation options. You can even designate how much space will be before and after the paragraph, or align it to a baseline grid if you've implemented one in your document. Paragraph border is pretty straightforward. It lets you add a border around the paragraph and specify the dimensions, the color, and other settings of the border. Paragraph shading, just underneath that, will highlight the paragraph with a color. We'll go ahead and turn these off though. Next we've got keep options. Keep options let you specify how much of the paragraph should be kept on the same page as the previous paragraph, or how many lines should be kept together. This is useful so you don't have orphaned lines all alone on a page or in a section. Hyphenation lets you specify the parameters of hyphenation, such as how long the word needs to be, or when the hyphenation can occur. This will usually only affect text that is justified. Span columns lets you span text across multiple columns. This can be useful if you have a heading across columns of text. Drop caps and nested styles allows you to apply a character style to a certain number of lines or characters in the paragraph. This is useful if you want the first letter of your paragraph to be different than the rest. You can see examples of this in a lot of books. Bullets and numbering allows you to add bullet points or a numbered list to the paragraph, along with editing the specifics of the list. You just select bullets here or numbers here, and then choose the formatting. Again, I'll go ahead and turn that off. Character color is an important one, as it allows you to change the color of your font using swatches that you have created. we'll go ahead and make our font blue. The last few sections include underline options and strike-through options, which let you edit and adjust the look of an underline or a strike-through that may have been applied to your paragraph. Once you have your desired style settings selected, click OK, and the settings for your style will be saved. You can now quickly select a paragraph and apply your style to it from the drop-down menu. You can go in and edit the settings of your style later as well. But keep in mind that the changes will be applied to each paragraph with that style, along with styles based on that style. This can be a quick and easy way to change the properties of multiple paragraphs though. That concludes my video on creating and using paragraph styles. Thanks for watching.